Alright guys, we're back for another day of fun. So, at this point, I think we're ready to yank this motor out. So, this is where we're sitting right now. Same as, of course, the end of the last episode. We got some chain. So, like I said, I don't think I've ever owned my own damn chain. So, that's just a good addition to it. So, I'm going to get to it. Yanking that motor out. So that's going to be our fun thing of the day. I think I can get it out for the most part, but I'm thinking I got a few things I have to disconnect on the tranny. Some like electrical stuff. And once that's out, I think I can get both of them out of there. So at least that's the plan or the idea. We'll see if that actually is the truth. Alright, so yeah, we're going to take the two bolts out of the mounts after we get the chain secured on here and get started. Alright guys, back to work. Alright guys, whew, that was a lot of work. I had a feeling it was going to go like that. I had a feeling that it wouldn't just be one piece and then another piece. They were just both kind of going to have to come out together-ish. So, sorry I had you guys up here and didn't think about it until I was almost done. I was, decided I needed to get the transmission at least unplugged and, ready to kind of be pushed back. And definitely when we do the other car, we're definitely going to do that. On the other truck, we're going to get the transmission pushed back and out of the way, and then we'll lift the motor right out. That is what we're going to do next time. So, but that wasn't too bad. I mean, a lot of work, but still not too bad. I've had worse. Definitely, it's always a pain, especially manual transmissions. Getting them separated from the motor, they're just, you got to get that pilot out of the actual crank, and then of course then you have the splines. You got to get those out. You got to get all this out. And they just like to fight you. So I've done it with my S10, same problem. It didn't change. It hasn't changed. Looks like it's like a little bit. So yeah. Engine, transmission removed. So there it is. Of course, my battery's dying. Why wouldn't it be? So transmission, engine. We got to figure out a way to set this down. So A, it's not on the RAM. And B, so it has a place to sit so I can get the other one out. So, and I don't want it sitting there anyway. I want it kind of over here. So I need to clean up and move some stuff to get it right where I want it. But we need to figure out what we're going to do now. So I was shocked it was able to lift that all the way out without me having to lower this down further. So that's good, because I think this is about the ride height of where the other truck's going to be. So yeah, it's an empty engine bay right there. So, all right, guys. Hold on. I gotta change out batteries. Okay, fresh battery. There we go. Okay. Yeah. So, engine bay pretty empty. So the next thing is we gotta figure out how to get this guy ABS off of there. Got some routing we gotta do and disconnect from the master cylinder, and then. Of course, then we got the routing we have to take care of. So after that, so I'm trying to figure out how this all works. So yeah, there's another proportioning valve here, which goes straight to this one. Another proportioning valve goes to the back, but that goes to this, and this goes to that. There's a lot of wire, a lot of hoses that don't make a lot of sense. You can see, yeah, this one goes straight to that one. And the back one goes to this. Sorry, you're not seeing anything. And then this one goes up here to the master cylinder, feeds the master cylinder, and then this one goes there, and then this one goes right there. So one. So this is one. That's one. This is two. 1, 2. Is it? No. Okay, this one's going back to that proportion, but way back there. This one, God, there's so many of them. We'll have to figure out. We'll just have to figure out how it all goes together and figure it out from there. So anyway, yeah, it's a little bit sure. So like I said, ABS has to come out. We gotta get that out of here. I'll probably take this out. Might as well use the newer one. This is, I'm gonna remove that. Remove the windshield wipers. Remove the master cylinders, since I'm leaving it in here, and then the thing we actually need, this guy. So we need him out of there, which was shockingly very easy. It was not as difficult as I thought it was going to be. I thought I was going to have an issue where, this is going to be a headache, but I won't even have to bleed it if I'm careful. I can take it out and just use it. So I just don't know how it's bolted. Obviously it's bolted here, but I don't think there's any bolts in here that I can see. So who knows? They might be up there where I can't see. So we'll have to get there, figure that out. So yeah, that's it. Whew. So I'm just gonna fiddle around, try and figure out a way to, Jesus Christ, figure out a way to get this set on the ground, and then once we get there, we'll go ahead and I'll probably call it for the day. That's a good day right there. All right, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell if you want notifications pushed to your email or your phone. And you guys have a good day. And until next time, peace.